Okay. This. It doesn't feel like a Thursday. Should I get my sunglasses? Have them here. Oh. Let's see how they look. Should I put these on or should I put these on? Actually, my glasses are literally like yours. These or these?
I like the other ones. Yeah, these.
They're prescription, actually.
Oh, mine are prescription too. Can you take pictures of that or no? So, look.
Cute.
Off to
The Brooklyn Botanical Gardens.
Oh, do they take my
Half of my video is so shaky though.
It's
It's like
yeah. It's actually so funny. Okay. So do you want to stop?
Nothing. I was taking a video of the flowers.
Okay.
We're going to the Brooklyn Botanical Gardens, which is like 11 kilometers away. What's in it though? It's just a garden.
Blossom.
Oh, cherry, because it's cherry blossom season and they're leaving this
Cherry blossom season right now, so it's gonna be exciting.
Is there a live music thing going on there? Wanna go see? But they were actually closed because there was an event, so we're trying to go to this bakery that the security guards recommended. It's called Allen's Bakery.
Yep, we're trying to hit up more local spots instead of touristic.
Because a lot of local places don't even show up on Google when you like first. A lot of the best places are they show up when you like talk to locals.
Or they're overhyped.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
And so the only food that we could get on the way was, it was so bad. Like, you just felt
I
like.
feel like the quality too, just country to country, can matter from their ingredient sourcing.
Yeah.
But I would not want.
If I lived here 100%, I would just like make a food Instagram page and like review a lot of places.
Oh yeah, like literally.
Because that's what.
While we wait for your landlord to get back, let us check. You know what? I'm gonna go check inside. Okay, so I just went to the La Bay Caribbean store and got a mango and a dragon fruit. But actually, they had star fruit there, and everybody was telling me that it was called something else. Like somebody said guava, and then, no, somebody called it a star fruit, but it was actually a star apple. And I should have bought it, because I don't know what a star apple tastes like. But next time. I think it's only on certain Caribbean islands. Also, we asked a local to tell us what bakery to go to, and we're asking our landlord where to go next. What did you get? Just a chocolate chip cookie?
Chocolate chip tahini.
I got tahini is really good in cookies. It gives it a nutty flavor. I got Earl Grey tea. Yay. Okay, let's go. What's last in? What's Henning's? Is it a grocery store? Let's check it out. So we're at the Brooklyn Heights Promenade, which I saw this on Instagram actually. Apparently it's, okay, you can't bike here, but apparently it's a really cool place to just come and take a picture, look at the skyline, and yeah, I'm really glad I found this. Like, how cool. It's completely free to just come here, go for a run. So I downloaded ClassPass, which is super cool because you get access to all these classes and you also have a free trial. So I'm not paying like $20 a class. Ended up getting access to all these classes. So I decided to take a strength training class and then a yoga class. So I went to Liftonic for their legs and butt. And then it was like 45 minutes. And then close nearby in NoHo, there was a yoga class at St. Mark's Place, I think it was called. And that place is super cool because they actually have like different levels. On the first floor, there was a comedy show. On the second floor, there was like a party going on. On the third floor and fourth floor, there's different things. So that was just really cool because I got the chance to experience it, and the class was really fun. It was so fun, and ClassPass I definitely recommend. Then I ended up going to Whole Foods and getting a bunch of little snacks, and was going to make some salad and yeah, head to bed. So yeah, good night.